I'm going to show you how to build your own artificial intelligence startups without programming at all. The main tool you're going to use is called Zapier. It's basically an automation tool, and we can build the front ends for our apps on other tools. There's a bunch of other really cool no-code stuff that I'm going to show you in a second, but then we're going to tie artificial intelligence tools to or whatever front ends we build using Zapier. So basically an automation tool that lets you connect tools together. First of all, to build your front end, the tool that I'm going to recommend is called Bubble.io. It's a no-code tool. You can drag and drop stuff. No programming is necessary, but you can build all sorts of really crazy stuff. So you can embed HTML, you can add buttons, you can go and you can add actions through workflows, you can have backend data systems. It's really powerful, and there's no programming necessary. Then over in Zapier, I'm creating an automation called a Zap, and then the trigger is a new workflow trigger event in Bubble. So when something happens specifically in Bubble, we can set that in Bubble. We can trigger an action in ChatGPT. We can trigger an action in OpenAI. We can trigger an action in things like Levity. Levity is a really interesting tool that lets you do, text extraction, text classification, text generation. And then they have like a ton of other AI tools. These are just artificial intelligence tools that Zapier has access to, and there's even more. So then you just go and you tie it back to Bubble. So I would go down here and I would have it tie back to do something in Bubble and add to its database. And now we just have AI in our Bubble app. And there are even AI tools that let you train your own artificial intelligences or your own ChatGPTs, your own OpenAI APIs that you can connect to Bubble through Zapier. So Zapier is kind of the inner link. And if you use other tools other than Bubble, you can still use Zapier. Zapier has connections to Adalo, to Glide, to Google Sheets, to whatever. So you can add artificial intelligence to whatever you're working with. And that's more or less how I've seen a number of people build small AI companies recently. So go check it out and let me know if you have any questions. I know how all this stuff works, and I'd be happy to help you or push you in the right direction if you're looking for a tool or you're looking for some way to set up his app. Go build stuff.